Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do a webcast. So in order for me to be able to see the work that you've completed, I need you to upload it as a webcast and for you to demonstrate all the steps that you've done. Just show me what's happening so that I can give you the appropriate mark. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the app or open up what you've just published. So here's the button that we've been working on. I haven't done the extension, I've just kept it simple. So I do want you to do the simple version as a webcast and then the extension as a webcast. So if you're going for the extension, you're going to need to upload two webcasts, okay? So you're going to need to show me your normal state, and then when you hover, and then when you press, okay? And that's literally all I want to see. It should be about a 10-second webcast, no longer than that. So in school, in order to do a webcast, we need to open up Publisher. There are loads and loads of different ways, PowerPoint. There are loads and loads of different ways of doing webcasts, but this is literally the only one that works at school at the moment. So if we open up PowerPoint, just wait for it a couple of seconds for it to open. PowerPoint has its own built-in webcast. We don't need to save PowerPoint, so don't worry about that, but it has its own built-in webcasting kit. So if we click on the insert, and over here where it says screen record, we can just press the screen record and it'll put us into the mode. Now, the first thing we need to do is get the size. So if we select area, and then where we've got our web app set up, so you can do it as long as you want. I mean, I'm gonna do the whole browser, but it's up to you really. Now, once I've got my browser set up, all I'm going to do then is press the record button. So we press record, it's going to count down from 3, and then I can start recording. So I hover over, I click, and that's it. Once you've finished, go take your mouse to the top of the screen, keep going all the way to the top until this menu pops up. And then you're going to press the stop button. Do not press the pause button. You're going to press the stop button. So press stop, and what that'll do is it will take you back into PowerPoint, and it will give you this screencast. Now with the screencast selected, so if I select it like this and then right click, we're going to get you do have to have it selected. Sometimes you have to hover over the edge, and you're going to get this button that says save media as. So if we press this button and we head on over to our computing folder or wherever you've saved this. So remember, I've saved it on desktop, you've saved it in your computing folder. So if I come into here, come into my interaction, and just in my simple buttons, just here, I'm just going to save it as lesson 1 evidence. So lesson 1 evidence. Okay, and if you do the extension, you call it lesson 1 extension evidence. Press save. Now, once again, you do not need to save PowerPoint. So all I'm going to do is just close PowerPoint, say don't save, and then head on over to my folder. Go to my interaction one, and there it is there. So if I double click on this now, in school it will probably come up as a media player, and then we can just make sure it works. So I hover over, I click, and that's it. Once you've finished, okay, fantastic. So this is the evidence you upload to the Google Classroom, and we're going to do this for every single lesson, okay? So make sure you get that done, and I'll see you in the next lesson.